back here again for another video. This is actually the second intro I filmed today. Today's been a little all over the place. A lot of last minute stuff came at once, and I wasn't supposed to go out and see my friend Will today, but he ended up getting a new exhaust in for his Porsche Boxster S, and he put it on, and he asked me if I wanted some sound clips of it, and of course I said yes. I love that car. So, you know, I'm sure I'll get some hate in the comments. You know, it's the girly model and things like that, and on paper, yeah, it probably is kind of girly, but as far as actually driving it goes, it's one of the most fun cars I've ever driven. So it's definitely, if you ever get the chance to drive one, I highly recommend it. But yeah, basically, you know, apologize for everything being all over the place. Today isn't going to be like an install as much as we usually do. I got out there a little late, wasn't able to get the whole install, but I was able to get a lot of great sound clips. And Will is one of the most knowledgeable car people I know, so I love talking to him and listening to what he has to say about his opinions and things like that on different vehicles. So he kind of does a little bit of that today, talking about other cars, talking about his Porsche. It's just fun to go out there and you know, hang out with him. So I hope you enjoy everything. There will be more Porsche videos coming up in the future once the summer kind of kicks in a little bit. Yeah, enjoy the video and subscribe and comment below. That's close. He's already got it. You can hear it. Oh my god.
Worth the money? You like it?
Yeah, it's worth the money.
Oh, 100%. Screams?
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
It's a little raspy, but it's pretty racy. But I'll tell you, when you close it, it's just like factory, a little bit more.
Is that closed?
Yeah.
Open it?
Racy, all right?
Yeah,
It's got some good. What I'm getting on is it sounds pretty like harmonious, kind of.
Yeah, no, it's not. It doesn't. I mean, when you drove by, it didn't sound raspy or anything. I don't know how it is in the car, but.
I want to take it up 320 next to the Jersey barriers.
Grab it.
All right, I'll do close first. I'm really excited.
Yeah, you should be.
Fucking $1,200. I mean,
yeah, we're gassing
and a Porsche, like, fuck me.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, that's the deal of the fucking century right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. You going up 20?
Yeah, you gonna follow me?
No, I want to go with you.
All right. Well, I gotta lock the shop first.
Ah.
All right.
So lock the shop. All right. Just a couple of boys in a convertible. Nothing to see here.
No homo.
No.
Yeah, it definitely feels throttle response is crisper too.
Oh yeah. Easily.
It's definitely a difference.
Is this still open?
It's close.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
when
close.
this is on, it's open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how you don't just have it open all the time now.
Well, I want to see how it is in a more pedestrian setting. Nice and
That's very modest from the inside. I like that.
But that's how this car should have sounded.
Yeah.
You know, instead it sounds like a fucking sewing machine.
Yeah, no, that's good. That does sound like a sewing machine.
Now it doesn't. It reminds me of like Aston DB5 or something classic,
Yeah.
kind of meaty. You know, and that's the sound I love. Something that's got a real harmony to it. You know.
Right.
And that's how Porsche should sound, because they always had engines that really kind of sing a song. It's like a V12, you know?
Yeah. No, it's a nice sound.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
Oh, I love this fucking car.
It's so nice.
For the money, I mean, it's like,
Well, you got the deal of the century.
well, just like, you know, being able to
All
do
things
that stuff.
considered, you got the deal of the century
Oh,
on
fuck yeah.
this.
Well, and the spec too, because I've seen
Well,
people
yeah.
respect either like it's all triple black and kind of racy, or
Yeah.
like, you know, I don't mind the old man tan interior. I think it adds some class to it.
I kind of like it in this car. I don't usually like the tan.
Yeah, but like, well, because it's the blue, you know, it really...
Well, it looks good with the blue.
Yeah, it's very kind of regal, you know?
Yeah, you pair this with anything else, it doesn't look as good.
Right. Such a sweetheart. Let's see now. I'll heat up a bit.
Yeah, you gotta put that heat up a little bit.
Such a sweetheart of a car. Just the balance. It's just like, oh.
It just loves to be driven. It loves to be driven.
I honestly say this is probably one of the most underrated cars of all time.
I will say that now that I've been in it.
And especially like, and you've only really driven it once. Like when you actually own this thing and really put some seat time and then drive other things, like I jumped in the RS, it's like, it only excites you when it's fast.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that GTR. I mean, it's nice to cruise and be fancy.
No, I've
like,
felt that way.
It excites me like just going slow, and I can feel like, God, it's so like.
No, but that's what I've said that about that RS since the first time I drove it. It's only exciting just going in a straight line, and even then, I don't find it that exciting. I still think the S3 is more exciting to drive, just the way it drives.
On corners, like it's got tons of grip, but you don't feel like you're going fast, and then you're doing fucking 80. It's like holy shit. Slow down a bit. Very exotic.
Oh my god, it's fantastic.
Very exotic.
That is fantastic. Oh, the burble. Oh god, that's fantastic.
I told you it does it a little bit. It's not much.
No, it's not. Oh, that's so nice.
Who needs auto rev matching when you got me behind the wheel?
Yeah, who needs auto rev when you got Will? God. Did you hit the button I think you hit?
Shut up. I was trying not to overcook it, that's why I tracked out.
Yeah,
so
I was like,
I haven't driven this in a while.
Right.
So I'm like, I don't want to because if I loop it in front of a bunch of traffic, man, that's gonna look like
roads are cold, tires are cold.
Right, let's see how we are on some top-up action. I want to see if it's actually livable.
Yeah, we'll see how it comes out. I have a feeling it will be livable.
Yeah.
Have you done it? You haven't done like top and windows up, right?
Nope.
Oh, he wants to go. He wants some of it. He wants a little bit of the Porsche.
So it's definitely louder than stock inside, but not much.
This is close.
Yeah, it's close.
This isn't big.
Yeah, it's pretty much.
The wife is not going to complain.
No.
The wife is not going to complain.
Yeah, usually I think with the stock exhaust, you get a little more of the induction noise. God, this guy's HID's in a CRV. Fuck you.
God, what is wrong with him?
In the daytime. Yeah, usually there's a little more induction noise. I can hear more of the exhaust, but still. Jesus, it's almost stock.
God, that's not. I mean, me and what's his face? What's his name?
Joe.
Me and Joe were talking. Well, it's not stock, but like it sounds like how you would think a Porsche would sound stock.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like
that's
how.
Get to a highway speed in 6.
What are you going, 60?
Oh my God, no drone.
Oh, fine.
Nothing.
I'm worried for nothing.
All right, so let's
open it up. Every time.
It's not too loud in here.
No, it's not. Even this doesn't really drone. What are you cruising in? Fourth?
Yeah. Yeah, the overrun.
3.5. Oh, that's nice. That's what you want.
This is such a good decision.
It was. Yeah. This was well worth.
I kind of got like that post-nut euphoria going on right now. My goodness.
God, it's great. This is a nice. This was the right purchase.
Yeah.
And just
I'm never getting rid of this car now because I've been wanting a 981 so bad just for the sound.
Yeah.
But everyone, like, I've driven to the steering compared to this, it sucks, you know, and it's a bigger car. Now I'm like, this car's perfect.
No,
like,
you don't need anything.
It doesn't need any more power. It's got all the sound it needs. It's spot.
Yeah, what does it make again? 240?
Nope, this is 280.
280.
Yep.
280.
So that's why this and Dex's TL Type S were basically neck and neck. That car makes a little more torque, but it's heavier.
Yeah.
And this car makes less torque and it's lighter. So basically, and the horsepower is, I think, about the same. So it balances out.
Right. This is why I was driving that day next to you, and I'm like, why am I passing him? And then I was like, oh, that's right, it only makes 280.
Right. You know.
But, you know, put it in the corners, and, you know,
I
you'll
mean,
never...
honestly, on the street, like, it's kind of hard to put down any more than 3 1/4 on the road, you know?
Yeah.
So.
No, it is tough. No, this is perfectly built. You don't need anything with this. You just drive it and enjoy
You can
it.
get these things really cheap now. They've come down.
They're down
I've
to,
seen,
what are they down to now?
For a decent mileage one, 18. Yeah. I mean, if they have higher miles, you can get them down probably 13, 15.
I can see every time I go to look at something, I keep saying I'm going to do a C5.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, it's
if you can get past
bang-
the interior.
Oh, I can totally get past the 1500 Chevy interior. I can get by it. It's fine. Like, I don't care. Interior honestly doesn't affect me in any way, shape, or form. I don't care.
I'm too old to deal with that anymore.
I just like is if it performs right,
Yeah.
that's good enough for me. I don't care like about sound quality of the speakers. I can fix that. I don't care about any of that stuff.
You know, I'm not listening to you right
Yeah, I know you're not.
now. And how could I? I mean, the soundtrack is...
Well, yeah, no. I don't sound nearly as good as this.
Oh, man. You know, when I go to Mallorca in June, I really wish I could take this car.
Beautiful. Even just like well, there's nowhere to really open it up, but even just like driving this. No, like Martha's Vineyard.
Nah,
Like,
the Vineyard sucks. There's too many people.
That's too much. You better bring the scooter.
No.
Oh,
we're
this is so
gonna
nice.
we're gonna take a trip out to the northwest corner and
Oh, we will. It's still cold. Oh, it's open. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say.
it's civilized in here.
It is.
I mean, I don't know how it is outside, but I don't really give a fuck.
Honestly, like, I'm trying to compare this to the Subaru right now, just as far as like interior noise. And this is more
there's
civilized.
no roof, first of all, so like that's a big game changer.
Right, but that's my point. Is like I have a trunk, you know, detonating, all that stuff. It's like this has nothing, and it's not over the top. It doesn't.
Right.
It doesn't.
Well,
it's not
like
painful to
like
drive
I was saying
with.
to Joe, like, you know, I believe the top is triple insulated. So I mean, it's not a
It probably is.
Miata where it's basically, you know, someone's maxi pad they draped over the top of it. I mean, it actually has some more engineering there to make it feel more cohesive. I mean, yeah, you get some wind noise at 70, but you don't feel like you're out in the elements. Like, you know, I've been in Mustang convertibles and stuff, and you're like, Jesus, like, is it going to come in through the seals and stuff? And
Yeah.
I mean, it's, you know.
Yeah, but those are just horribly built.
Right. Well, and that's just it. I mean, this.
And that goes back to your statement earlier of a car that wasn't designed to be a convertible. They just made it one.
Yeah, that and the fact that this is still a German car, Porsche, and you know they over-engineer everything.
Yeah.
And it's a $65,000 car when it was new.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that overrun is just right, and it's real. It's not fucking burble tuned.
No.
Oh, there it is.
This is a good one.
Oh yeah, that's what we like.
One day we'll put a GoPro on the back of this just for the note. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe below. We're going to have more videos with the Porsche coming. So me and Will, we go out on these drives every once in a while through like Western Mass and stuff. There's a lot of great back roads out there. You kind of open the cars up. It's nice. So we're going to be doing that. So we'll definitely have some more sound clips of it coming, as well as usually my buddy Dex comes with his Miata. So we got a couple of girl cars going. I usually bring the Subaru so I can at least try to keep up. They're both better drivers than I am, so they'll appreciate that statement right there. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Also hit that bell notification so you know when I upload videos every week. I've gone from uploading every Sunday to uploading every Sunday and Wednesday. So we're putting out 2 videos every week now. Pretty excited about that. And we've got great stuff coming up with the Mustang, with the Jeep. So everything's coming around. So I think you guys are going to enjoy it. But stay tuned for everything, and I'll see you here next time. Bye.